Hello, today I'm going to show you how to apply screen protection onto your Nintendo Switch 2 console. The first step, of course, is we have to clean it. To get started, we clean our screen with alcohol and a cloth. The cloth is included in this originally a Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and screen protector, but the alcohol is not included. Then, of course, we are going to remove every debris, every glue, every dirt from the surface, and we use the label, the sticker, to remove some obstacles which are prop with our new foil if we apply that. If you have a clean surface, it's really important that you have a clean surface, a clean screen area. That is really important. That is the biggest thing behind that. You take your screen protector foil. It's a really not thick. It's a really short foil, which we now we peel off the backing from the screen protector, and we are carefully align it to the screen. First, step number one, as you can see, then press it a little bit in position, and if you are in a line with the screen, you can remove the second screen protector backing foil. And then we are carefully align it into the screen. We're pushing out the air bubbles with a cloth or a scrabble. And if you have bubbles in the center, you can lift it a little bit up, as you can see, and press this out, from inside to outside. With the screen protector firmly in place, it will help us, the screen, to protect it from scratches and from debris in once. So, job's done, and our Nintendo Switch 2 is ready for a game. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.